what are the types of objects that we have? We have
transparent.
Yes. So other
translucent and transparent.
We have transparent,
translucent and opaque.
Yes, sir.
Translucent
and opaque.
And opaque. These are the three kinds of objects we have. So
sir,
what are Yes, sir. Yes.
Transparent objects are the type of objects which we cannot see. So translucent objects are the objects which can be seen partially, and opaque objects can easily be seen. So transparent objects do not cast any shadow. Translucent.
Okay.
Sir,
okay.
Also one example.
So transparent objects allow the light to pass.
Wait, hold. Because when so many are talking, it's pretty difficult for me to understand. So one at a time. First, we'll okay. Arpan Raj. First,
yes.
Arpan Raj.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The transparent object allow lights to completely pass through it. The translucent objects allow light to partially pass through it, and the opaque objects does not allow light to pass through it.
Okay, very good. Now, Saida, can you tell? You wanted to say something, Saida? Well, let's give chance to Aniket. Yes, Aniket, go ahead. Tell me what was the important.
Objects cast no shadow. Translucent objects cast partial shadows, and opaque objects always cause dark shadows.
Okay, I understand. So what I understand is all of you know what is transparent, what are transparent objects, what are translucent objects, and what are opaque objects. Fine. So apart from the properties, what are transparent objects? Allows light to pass through them. So this is the basic way in which we define completely. And because of this property, we have the other things. They cast shadow, they are visible, they're invisible. Why is it happening? Because of this property. What is the transparent object? Which allows to pass light through it completely, or 100% light that is falling on it is passing through it. Then translucent object, doesn't allow total light. I'll not use doesn't, I'll say allows light to pass partially. So what does translucent object say? It allows light to pass partially. And what does opaque object do? It does not allow light to pass. So opaque object does not allow light to pass at all. Fine. All of you have taken it down. So transparent are something which allow light to pass through it. Translucent are something which allow light to pass through it partially, and opaque objects are what? Objects which does not allow light to pass through it at all. Fine. I hope that is clear, all of you.